Fully furnished, 3-story modern house dito sa may Anabu, Cavite. Pasukin natin. Napakaganda ng interior ng iyong house. Meron tong lot area na 148 square meters. Ang floor area about 300 square meters. Kasi 3-story siya. Meron ka ditong lanay. Tapos syempre, kasama na yung mga gamit. Meron kang 6-seater dining set. At fully equipped kitchen. Meron ka ditong burner at nice ng mga cushion na range hood. Walk-in pantry. Dito tayo sa powder room na sobrang pretty. May laundry area. Ito yung helper's room. At nasa second floor and third floor yung mga bedroom. Kaya panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para makita mo yung price and full details. And I will see you on the video. Bye-bye!